I have made a terrible decision. A few months ago, I bought the worst looking driving Civic Si 9th Gen that I could find, and I did this for the sole purpose of having a secondary track car for 2025. However, I didn't realize that this horrible decision was going to go catastrophically wrong. See, I did get the comments, and I kind of knew it after I bought it that this might be a bigger pill to swallow than I initially imagined. But it's one of those things where you think more with your heart than with your head. I wanted this car. It was super cheap, but I didn't factor all the possible costs that it would be to repair it. In this video, I'm going to show you where the car has been, all the stuff that's happened to it, and kind of where we are and what's going to happen next. Enjoy. Most of the parts are bolt on, bolt off. We're going to start today to try to bolt on a few pieces and see where we get to. Now, a few weeks went by, in fact, many weeks went by, and within that time, I was sourcing a few parts from junkyards here and there, buying some parts off Rock Auto. I got some hoses, radiator in the condenser, some lines that I knew I was going to need, and some interior bits as well for the airbags, which we'll probably put on in a different video. For this video, I just wanted to get the car started, which evidently took a little longer than anticipated. I had the car pulled a little bit, not the best. I paid a friend to do it, so he helped me pull it.
I don't think I have the right condenser because that is not sitting right, or maybe I'm not just putting everything in. I think the condenser is also supposed to go right in that hole there. So yes, I do need to play around with it just a little bit. But yeah, let's move on to the airbox and the battery.
Okay, so I got the airbox for the car from a friend. I went and picked up some other parts. He had it. It was free. So after weeks and weeks of messing around with this thing, it's finally it cranks and it starts. Yeah. So the issue was this cord wasn't plugged in. Now I did realize the plug wasn't plugged in before. That's this one, but I didn't know where it was supposed to plug into, and it just kind of stuck out here. So once we've been able to identify that this is in, it starts just like. Many weeks later, so this was bad. I had to go get one of these from the junkyard. I just got the arm back on again. I'll put the brake on and we should be good to go. In this video, we tackled a few things that we needed to change to get the car rolling. The front chassis of the car was straightened up to allow us to put the radiator and condenser. I had to take that all off because a few more things needed to be changed. The alternator was changed, the starter was changed. In fact, the airbox had to take off, as you guys saw. The entire driver rear side control arms, entire spindle had to be changed. I got a used one and changed all of that. The tire still looks a bit crooked, so we will change that, find out what suspension we need to change and change that going forward. But for now, thank you for watching. We'll try to make a few more updates on the car, maybe go for some body work to change the entire quarter panel. For now, this is it. I'll try to upload as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Like, comment, subscribe. See you.